Hello everyone. I would like to demonstrate the dashboard that we have developed for you. So basically, based on all the discussions that we have done in our last call, I have come up with some of the ideas which we can represent on the dashboard for the SmartWorks overall operations, which will give and quick information about the performance tracking, the average submissions going on the different fields, then the location wise submissions, then performance summary. A map view will give short uh, information about what exactly happening on specific branches, and that graph. So we have tried to implement this dashboard in such a way that which will give you visual elements are placed in such a way that which will analyze complete dashboard within a minute. So you can just at the first glance you will get complete idea about the field performance, and it's easy to understand dashboard. We have implemented all the pie charts and the line graph and different bar graphs to know the performing areas like good areas, weak areas and all. So yeah, I will quickly start with the demonstration. So as you see here, performance dashboard, the four boxes: users, mobile forms, average submissions and the performance issues detected, will give you a quick figure of how many users are there on the field, then the forms they are using it, then average submissions and the performance issues. If any issues found in the overall operations, it will be listed here. You can see the increase and decrease arrow, which will give you a quick overview about the field performance, so that you will not, here you can save a lot of time, like you will not need to call or send multiple emails to your floor officer of different branches to know what is happening on the floors and what is the status and performance and all. So this increase and decrease thing and these boxes will give you a quick figure about the performance. As you see here, I will demonstrate one more thing. If you can see here the 5 performance issues detected, so if you click on this, it will take you to a screen where it will show you all the performance issues detected, like 3. So based on our experience and the discussion, we have listed few of the issues which are important to know, like 3 users have not submitted any record from last 6 days. So these 3 users are listed here with their location, like India, Noida, MAP building, second floor, restroom. So this person like Amit Singh is responsible for this, and he have not logged in from last 6 days. So right, Kiran M, he is from Bangalore GTP. Then so this will give you an overview of the issues, and you can completely track it in within a minute. So another example is no submissions detected yesterday at this branch from this person and this person. So you can call them and ask for the problems. So there is another example: 3 users did not log in several days. So this will give you like which are the users who have not logged in from last 10 days, 4 days and 10 days. So you can call them and ask for the like what exactly the issues they are facing, so that they are not using it. So that's one thing about the like performance detection. I would quickly jump on the performance graph, where a line graph is shown with different kinds of matrix, like the selection of location and selection of activities. So if you can see here, this is the x and this line graph is represented in x and y graph. So if you click on location, so it will give you a list of locations. Like you can sort this, you can configure this graph with like the help of area, sites, building, floor or room. So if you click on areas, then it will give you a list of all areas here, like Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. And according to that, it will show the submissions are happening on the field. So if you click on the another drop down, that is activity, so here all the activities, like everything which comes under this platform, like pantry inspection, restroom inspection, reception, meeting areas and all, it will be displayed here, so that you can so that from this 2 drop down, this complete graph is easily configurable. Like you can display this number of submissions according to x and y values. So based on our discussion, we have kept these two as a matrix to for this graph. If you need, we can configure these two drop downs so that you can see your desired input here. One more thing here given is select the date range. So this date range will give you ability to see these submissions from last 8 days or from last 1 month. So you can select to date to from date and to date, and you will get the information for that particular period for these activities. So that's the one thing about this line graph. So as I said, it is easily configurable based on x and y values. So if you have any ideas about like what exactly you want to see here, we can change the x and y values, and based on that requirement we can change this graph. Then I will quickly jump on this performance by dashboard for map view. So here, as you can see here, we have again shown the same like areas and activities. So you can sort this map according to that. So what we have done is we have listed all the branches, all the buildings here, which for the smart work. So if you click on this simple dot, it will open a pop-up with a metadata like this Purva Summit Hyderabad building is having this much of information, like 30 users are there, 12 forms are being used, 3 issues detected, 40 average submissions per day. So this map view will give you, in a few minutes you can just click on different locations, and it will give you a short data, a quick data, and quick analytics of that particular branch in a single click. So here let's consider that you clicked on this Hyderabad building, you see that there is a 3 issues detected. So if you click on this, it will take you to that particular list where performance issues are detected, and the location is this branch, fifth floor, and what exactly was the issue. Like 3 users did not log in several days, so this person not logged in from 30 days, then 10 days, and 7 days. So this and the exact location, like this person is associated with the restroom, 5th floor. This Ashok Kumar is associated or aligned to this conference room on 5th floor of Hyderabad building. Then Madhukar is also in the meeting rooms, so handling the meeting room. So you can, so from this list you can take you will have a complete an idea about like what are the problems on different branches. So from this map view, your huge time will be saved, because you will not need to call different people of different floor officer of different branches, to know what is the site performance and other stuff. You will just have to click on these different sites, and it will give you insights about analytics about that particular site in a minute, about the issues and all, average submissions, etc. So there is a pie chart that we have implemented. We can implement that in the submissions for the locations. So it will just give you an overview about like 40% meeting rooms are forms are submitted, then reception inspection, then server rooms inspection, conference room inspection, restroom inspections, like the forms they are filling. Then next thing I would like to jump on the recent activities. So recent activity, this will represent the ongoing activities on the field. You can click on this and it will take you to the screen that will show all activities there. So it will show just like this person have submitted the restroom from this branch at this time, this person have submitted pantry inspection from this branch at this time. And if you click on this, it will take you to a screen where all these things are listed. So like today recent activities are these, then last week, then last month. So we can configure it according to the needs. So it will show you all the recent activities, ongoing activities on the different branches. So that's the one thing about recent activities. Then there is another pie chart about the submissions. It will also give you a percentage of submissions, average submissions happening on the field from different areas like restroom, pantries, reception, then meeting rooms and all. So this will just give you overall performance of like overall submissions on the field. Then last and the most important thing for you, that is a performance summary. Like this will give you it gives a list of locations and their respective performances. This list is sorted automatically based on performance, like from good to weak. So if you can see here, like Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. So Delhi NCR performance is good, then Mumbai is good, Chennai is average, submissions are going. In Bangalore there is a weak performance. So what you can do, you can quickly go to the Bangalore branch from here and see what are the issues there, or what are the things that are not like are affecting the performance. So this is very important for you. This will give you a complete picture of performance on of different branches. This section will give will save a huge time, yours, like the leadership team's time, then the man hours of different floor officers and your managers and all, to like whatever time you require now to collect all the data from different floor officers, managers and leadership team, just to know the different performance of different branches. This will give you a complete overview, like complete picture of your all the branches in single minute with all the details. So yeah, that's it. These are the things that I wanted to show to you. And as I told you, this dashboard, we have brainstorm of different ideas, like what are the things that are important for you and how exactly we can implement it for you. So based on the platform capabilities, the information that is available, information that gives you meaningful data analytics, so that and actionable data, so that from these factors we have designed this dashboard, like this performance detection, then map view with the short details, it and the summary. This will give you a complete overview and the actionable data from which you can take the further actions. Like this performance detection will give you an actionable data to call these people, or to ask your floor manager of this particular location to take action on these people, so that they can start logging again, and what are these, you can solve these issues. So I would like to know your feedback on this dashboard, like what exactly you think about, like what data, what else you want to show on dashboard, which we can analyze with the help of with the help of the platform capabilities and the information that is available through the forms and all. And we will try to accommodate that information in the dashboard. So I would really like to know your feedback about this short demo. And yeah, I'm looking forward to know your to know your feedback and see what we can do best for you. So thank you so much.